Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan, and for those of you who haven't been onto this channel before, welcome. Have a look around, there's plenty of videos and plenty of playlists for you to have a look at, and I hope you enjoy what you see. Today I'm carrying on with the Nightwish series that we're on. Don't know what's wrong with me tonight, tongue keeps getting tied up. Yes, basically I'm on the Nightwish series that we're on. There's 9 studio albums, and I'm making my way purposely through the studio albums because I feel like that is where most of their hard work actually took place. I mean, I know that live gigs is extremely hard work for bands, but in studios, that is where music is created. That's in my opinion, and I want to hear the finished product. Excuse me. So this song is off the first album, Angels Fall First, and I'm really enjoying this album. It's very different to anything that I've ever listened to, I'm going to be honest. And it's an eye-opening musical experience for me. So this song is called Know Why the Nightingale Sings. And I'm not going to talk much. Headphones in. And before anyone says anything that I need new headphones, I know I'm going to get some new ones tomorrow to kind of put over my ears, you know, so that I can hear the sound properly. These are like some spare ones in case my other earphones break, which they did last night. So just to let you know, new ones are coming. But yeah, this is Know Why the Nightingale Sings. So here we go. Play. Ooh, nice. Okay, I really like this a lot. I love the sound of the guitar, shredding guitar, going along with, there's like an organ sound in the background. I really like that. The singing is very clear, the lyrics are all clear, and I'm not professing to be any musical expert, but you know, I can hear the words clearly. And from what I'm hearing is there some kind of person falling down and they've hit an ocean or something? That's what I'm kind of imagining in my mind. A bit like Icarus. I think he's the boy who flew too close to the sun. That's what I'm kind of getting. Let me know down in the comments, guys. This is only my own personal interpretation. There is not a right and wrong answer. That's all I'm getting from. Anyway, play. Come on. Ooh, nice. Someone knows how to play their guitar. My God. Can you hear that in the background? Woo. God, incredible. Wow. Oh, nice bit of piano now. Oh. Ooh. Yes! I like it. Whoa, wow. That was awesome. That was awesome. That was really awesome. I really loved that. Oh, gosh, that was great. I just loved that. That had everything, which got my heart pumping. The musicianship was absolutely spectacular in this. I loved that little piano, like coming in. There's so much of this song I like, and I'm pretty sure this song was about a guy falling to his death. That's more being honest. But it had like kind of a positive sound to this song. Like that's what I got. It was awesome. Someone knows how to play the electric guitar and do a solo. That would put Slash to shame, in my opinion. And Slash is one of the best. That was amazing. That was amazing. Anyway, enough about me, guys. What did you guys think? Did you enjoy this song? Did you enjoy this reaction? If you did, please press the like button now. If you want to comment on this song, if you want to give me your take on what this song did for you, what this song is about, Nightwish Army, I know you're out there. You've made yourself very evident on my channel, and I thank you so much for that. Please write in the comment section below. I love you guys. Also, if you would like to subscribe to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please press the subscribe button. This is your channel as much as it is mine. And for everyone who has subscribed already, everyone who wants to see me react to more music, thank you so much. It means the absolute world on the bottom of my heart. I would not be here without you guys. You guys are spectacular. You guys are awesome. There's no words for it. And also, if you want to be on my Patreon page, anyone who wants to be on my Patreon page, on there, there's no pressure to be a Patreon, but on there you can get your own reactions, which might end up being on this channel anyway, but you can get your own reactions. You can also, find videos which haven't made it onto this channel due to copyright reasons and copyright blocking, unfortunately. It's all on my Patreon page, so if you want to go on Patreon, there's no pressure. Click on the link below. I would love to see you on there. That's it for me tonight. My name is Dan. You guys are incredibly awesome. I'll see you in the next video. Much love and peace out.